dog food day, so I'm down a package or two and I want to make sure that I just keep it going. So I usually make it way before I need it, but I also don't like waiting because what if something comes up and then I don't have it. So I'm going to start with about 3 pounds of turkey. Ooh, ground turkey. I have 4 cups of rice. Doing 9 cups of water. I already put 4 in here. Basically, I cook this till the rice is done. These are some potatoes that I shredded. We grew, and I shredded and just froze for the dog food. This is some squash and zucchini that I just chopped up and froze for the dog food. This is my rooster that the first one I've ever processed. That was just crazy. This one tried to kill our chicks, which we can't have. So he becomes dog food. So the gross part, breaking it all up. Normally I just do turkey, but I really want to start using as much as I can that we know where it came from, like the chickens, ornery roosters, stuff like that. So yeah, this is our first batch. So I will add parsley, basil, oregano to it in moderation. And then towards the end, the sardines, eggs, and eggshells for calcium, omegas, and such. So for now, I will let that slow cook for a very long time. I was using liver, which I think I have 2 4-ounce fillets of liver that I'll add to it. And then I wanted to, when we got our quarter of a cow, I got this beef tongue. So I'm going to figure out how to cut that up and maybe put that in there because we won't eat this. If not today, then I will process it and freeze it so that it's for the next batch of dog food. So yeah, that is ready to go. I'll check back in later when it's closer to done. So this is what we got out of this batch of dog food. I got 3.5 bags. I think I packaged it funky. Otherwise there'd be 4 bags. Or it could be because there's chicken in here instead of some turkey that it's packaged different. So that's what we got. I didn't do the rest of the recipe. If you haven't seen the content with the recipe on it, you can ask for it in the comments and I'll give it to you. But yeah, this is what we got. I did want to go over a few of our cars. This is our 41 Ford Deluxe. How we met this beauty. I was looking online and I found a 2627 5-window Model T, and we went down there to grab it and we saw this one and we just kind of fell in love with it. We didn't get it right away. We just, it wasn't in our budget. It was really nice. Most of our cars are fixer-uppers. This one has really nice mohair, and I mean it runs great. It's a driver for sure. But yeah, we just kept in touch with our buddy at the automotive museum, and I had a really good opportunity. I think something sold, so we came up with the money. Somebody almost bought this from him, and so we thought, it's not meant to be. But then whoever it was backed out, and we thought, maybe it is meant to be. So we got this little 41 Deluxe. It has a oil bath and all that. But yeah, she's a driver. Seth calls this his old man car because he can just cruise in it. It's his little undercover car. And we have some little 2627 runabouts here that I'll uncover and show you. These are going to be matching runabouts. We have some cool things planned for that. We have our little hot rod in here. This is a 23T on an A frame. Sorry, the fans are going. It's crazy in here. And this is our most recent. We actually traded a couple cars for an International because I love Internationals. The older the better. And it started knocking when we drove it. So the guy we got it from brought it back and brought this. So I'll show you more about this one on another post, but it's got a cool story. This is the one in my previous post where I said we posted it and our buddies said that was his dad's car. This was like a show car in the 70s or maybe even 90s, but yeah. So anyway, for today, that's our 41 out there. Our old man car.